or chocolate pudding.
You need to close your eyes, meow.
Oh, this is... So.
I need to close my eyes and too.
Okay. I changed you guys. Yeah? You're watching Number Blocks, guys. This is a nice movie or nice show for the kids. It's like about math, guys. Tudloan nila og math ang mga bata. Fun active... Saan niya? Nalimot ko unsay tawag. Basta, interactive ba? Interactive. And math. So, ready? What time now? Right now is almost 4. Then, medyo gloomy. Medyo gloomy, guys. Pero, it's gonna be kung mga nilayhay diri. Switch na to ang Christmas light and Christmas tree na ako. See? Pakita na ako sa inyo. Ako na palang gibuild among Christmas tree. Ayan, ang mga quacknet dire, mga nilayhay. Nilayhay na ko diri sa taas kay warm. May heater sa ubos is very cold. Di baugang nilabhan. So, ayan. Switch on na to. Ayan. Kalat-kalat ng ang bahay namin, guys. Okay lang yan. Mao ni siya laterni, guys. Explain ako. Hinayan sa akong TV. So, mao ni siya laterni, guys. Ginagawa nila ito before last week of October. Ginagawa namin nila nito with the help of the parents sa kindergarten. Tapos, ito, mura siya og lights. Tapos, imo na siyang ikabit tira. Just a second. Yan. Tapos, ganyan. Ang medyo mahaba yung pagka ni Frank nito sa laterni. Pero ganyan. Wait a second. Ganyan yan siya. Tapos, hawakan siya ni... This is from Francis. Hawakan siyang Francis. Then, later, ipakita na ko sa inyo. They will sing the laterni song or the Saint Martin. So, ito naman yung ka-Francine. Prepare na to ni Frank kanina. Yung lights nila. Para siyang suga. Tapos, ito naman yung ka-Francine. Ang katong ka-Francine kami itong dalawa gumawa nito eh. Tapos, yung ka-Francis, si Frank at si Francis. Ito yung ka-Francine. Yan. So, do we light up like that? Tapos, later guys, pakita na ko sa inyo ha. We still have 1.5 hours to prepare. So, ayan. Tapos, meron kaming ganito. Babayaran mo yan siya few days before sa parade. Para siyang parade ba? Ayan. Passes to siya, guys. Para siya, bread to siya. I-claim ni mo dito. Kasi gabi siya eh. So, hello guys. Ready na ako. Nagbihis na ako. Trabaho si Frank kaya hindi siya makaka-attend. Last year din, trabaho din siya. Swerte lang ako kasi last year off ako. Ngayon, this time naman off din ako. So, I think mag-mutse ako or bonnet kasi malamig. So, tatanggalin ko tong hair or magdadala na ako ng mutse. Kasi maglalakad kami eh. Maglalakad kami from the kindergarten. Then, parang parade talaga siya guys. Tapos malamig. So, ang kids ready na din. Napanood ko lang sila konti doon. Lalagyan ko na lang sila ng mutse at saka warm jacket. So, andin punta kami. Si Ella, hindi ayaw niyang sumama. Gusto ko siyang sumama, pero hindi natin mapilit. Ayaw niyang sumama. Nung bago pa lang kami dito sa Germany, sumasama yan sila lahat. Ngayon, hindi na. So, ayan. Tapon ko lang muna to. Meron pa kaming 15 minutes. So, I think magkakapi ako. Or maybe hindi na. Then, pagkatapos ng kindergarten, I think mag-grocery kami direct after. Kasi, wala na kaming milk. So, ayun. See you later. Yeah. So, nga ugork eh. Cucumber. Nakauli na pala me, guys. Tapos, hindi na ako nag-film kay isod na. Makakita ilang mga dagway dito.
Next, St. Martin is...
What is St. Martin? Explain to them.
What
Is that St. Martin? Who is he? Who is St. Martin? St. Martin is... Where is that drawing from Francis? So, Francis, draw the today's. Na, Francis? Muna si St. Martin. So, muna siya si St. Martin, guys, bata. Muna siya si St. Martin. Yeah? Yeah, you can open it. Muna si St. Martin.
Satisfying.
Satisfying. Okay, open it. Ate, go it, be. Muna ilang hindi napalit sa store ba. Surprise food. Ay, toys ani sa sulod, guys. So, Francis wants me to open
One.
this. So,
You need to be finished.
so, what's yours?
You need to
He needs to make his first. So, ang bili ni Francis, iya ha?
Mine will not be satisfied.
Yeah.
Then everybody need to be Liza.
Yeah? So, open it. Like that. So,
Okay, Liza?
satisfying ko na. What did you get? What did you get? Ate Ella, o kat na? Wala po bata ni sa ilang na po sa iya ha.
Bumblebee!
Bumblebee!
I want the bumblebee! I want the bumblebee!
So, this is... show them what you get. Francis yours. So, where's yours? Francis get Bumblebee. Moni sulod, guys. Tapos na siya pudding. Pudding na siya.
Mama, can you
Or
help
chocolate.
me audition?
Chocolate mousse. Ay, pudding. So, chocolate yogurt. So, kani ka fansin is Hello Kitty ni siya. So, let's see. Or chocolate pudding.
You need to close your eyes, meow.
Oh, this is... So.
I need to close my eyes
Oh,
and you.
okay.
Close your
Close your eyes.
eyes.
Pudding. Ano, sulod niya, guys. Tapos na siya pala... Mura siya... Ano na? Kinder... Hello Kitty, no? You have that already last time? Ang kampansin naman, Hello Kitty.
I had the other one.
Where's Ate Ella? Sa Ate Ella.
Walang wine na.
Oh, wait na. Okay, nahugas ng plato sa Ella. Ne! That's hers. Unsa. That's for Ate Ella.
Which?
Go get a spoon. Get spoon?
Oh my god, I have the chocolate one. Look
Yeah,
at my
chocolate
baby.
one. It's Emma chocolate.
That's high choco pudding. Mama.
Wala na ako nag-film dito, guys. Kaya ipakita lang muna ako konti kasi stricto sila dito sa Germany pag mga video sa mga privacy.
Oh, Mama, let this. And let boom.
Huh?
It's let the video.
Yeah, come on, eat. Go get a spoon.
No, the video. Let you want me. I hide in the camera.
Yeah? And
Yeah,
then,
let's make it now. Come.
na washing sheet?
Yeah.
Ang TikTok na mo na washing sheet. Kasi, knock, Nish. You're eating. Come on, finish it. Puso sa na ako.
Eat.
Yeah, you gonna clean up, yeah? Clean up. So, get a spoon for brother, please.
Oh, whoa.
Get a spoon for brother, please.
Mine.
Fancy. Get a spoon for brother first.
Look at
Next
it.
this month, we're gonna get a transformer. Nokmal. Okay? You don't like Hello Kitty? Only Ate Ella then likes Hello Kitty. Huh?
But I like the little pony.
Naku, gasto aning surprise na pudding ba? Para siyang Kinder Eggs. Pero ito guys, mas ano siya, mas trailing kasi mayroong Transformer, mayroong Paw Patrol, may Frozen, may Little Pony. This time, nakakita kami ng Transformer at Hello Kitty. Bumili ako. Get a spoon for your brother ba?
That's me.
I will get it for you. So, pang dessert. So here, I'm gonna clean up ako na lang maglabay. I don't know if napakita ko yung bread na kinakain nila. Ang laki ng bread. Tapos, para siyang bread na pandesal. Pandesal na walang crumbs. Masarap yung bread na St. Martin bread nila. That is every year ganyan guys. Lahat ng kindergarten, lahat ng school. I think high school lang ang wala. Elementary. Fumti klase na. Until grade 5 lang siya.
Mama, meine Schule ist nicht der Grundschule.
Yeah, you are in Grundschule next year. Na? So, ayan na guys. Hindi na natin habain kasi ano?
Wie heißt meine Schule?
Merl, ich weiß es nicht, vergessen wir.
Ich gehe neben unser Busseller.
Ja, keine Ahnung, welche Schule das ist.
Mag deine Ate, Ella. Später na kanya.
Mama, wash your shoe.
Nee, we're nicht machen the washing machine now. Sa TikTok ba? Nag-upload kami ng washing machine. Shemen, zemen, zizing, zi.
I want to make poo.
We make washing machine of mal? Francis?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah.
I don't know even how we go when I need to jump. It's
So, throw away this first, oh.
Sugar my
Perfect, Francis. Check this, Francis.
Shoot.
Cheers. Susie.
This video.